Have you ever noticed that why do you keep attracting the same kind of people again and again, the same kind of negativity, toxicity, and again, it's the same emotional pattern that is repeating in your life. People, they take everything from you, and when you need them, there's no one at the end. If that's your case, and if this is something that you are going through, hi, my name is Gargi Arya. Welcome to my channel where I help you to design your life and business the way you actually want. And today in this video, this is going to have two parts. This is the first part where I will just talk about from where are these patterns rooting up. Because you know what, as an inner child healer, as a life coach, as someone who has been working with people since last 4 to 5 years, I've been able to understand some common triggers that actually trigger this feeling of again and again attracting the same kind of toxic, emotionally unavailable people in your life. Let's go to the first pointer. And before even I start with this video and before I start awareing you about these things, I want you to please take out your notebook, sit with me, understand your own pattern, because this is something that you really need to crack. This is a life, or this is a pattern that if you are not going to overcome, if you're not going to deal with it, this will take everything out from you, because this has happened with me. I'm coming from an experience and I'm still working on this pattern, and let's figure it out together. So first of all, meet my cute little partner, where I will be telling you some of the pointers. So if you keep seeing me looking at my notebook, just know that I have some pointers written down here for you to explain you what exactly is this. So let's start with the first kind. Always remember, it is all coming from your childhood. I'm not here to blame your parents. I'm not here to make you feel any sort of negativity towards your parents. But yes, this is true. Somewhere or the other, your patterns are coming from your parental wounds. In inner child healing or as a healer, one of the very most important things to understand is everything comes from your own home. Every pattern, every wound that you have today is coming from that inner child of yours. Somewhere their needs were unmet, somewhere they did not get the love that was actually meant to be given by your parents, but because of their own reasons, because of their own experiences, they didn't have, so they couldn't give it to you. So let's first start with the childhood patterns. What all feelings can you have? First is of neglection. You wanted something. Like, neglection could be as simple as you wanting a toy and your parents always telling that, you know what, this is something we can't afford, this is something that it's something कि आपको हर बार मना करते थे. And एक बार चलता है, दो बार चलता है, but there comes a stage in a child's life where he or she, no matter how small they are, they can get into a stage where they are like कि मैं क्यों ही पूछूं अपने मम्मी पापा से, मुझे हमेशा नो ही मिलता है, मुझे हमेशा उनसे पूछने से डर लगता है. If that's you, catch the language. The second thing could be of inconsistency. Inconsistency is something that can be called in terms of love. Your parents, whenever उनके पास टाइम होता है तो वो आपके पास आते हैं, उनके पास टाइम नहीं होता तो they don't come to you. And yes, we have people like that. We have stories, we have worked with people whose parents were very inconsistent in providing love, care. एक होता है basic need, that is a home to live, books to study, school, they are providing your education, they are doing everything for you. But what about your emotional needs that are not being taken care? Even if they are being taken care, that is in a very inconsistent manner. Next is conditional love. The third sort of root cause from where emotionally unavailable people can happen is from your childhood. If you have felt some kind of conditional love, conditional love, like I remember this is a case in every home, of course, but I remember that I used to get a special treatment when my marks used to come very high. Like अगर 100 में से मुझे 95 आ रहा है, then there would be a different sort of behavior. And if out of 100, if I used to score like say 80, 85, it used to be something different. And you know what? There are parents like these who have everything based on the performance. They love you not for who you are, they love you based on your performance. If you earn money as an adult, it could also sound like, as if you earn money, if you earn a good amount of money, your parents are always happy. But if your business goes up and down, or if you're not getting the job, if you're not making a consistent income, they would be after you and their whole behavior can change. So see the pattern, which is the one that you have. And because of such things that keep on happening with us in our childhood, as an adult, we become someone who feels uncomfortable being loved. Please focus on this line. I'm repeating it again. Because your body learns that I cannot be loved, your subconscious mind plays in your mind that you know what, I will always attract those people in my life who are always physically present, but they're always emotionally unavailable. And because of this familiarity, one of the subconscious का जो हमारा role होता है, it is कि वो हमेशा familiar चीजें attract करता है, उसको comfort zone बहुत पसंद है. And because since childhood you have learned to be in the comfort of being around emotionally unavailable people, suddenly, let's say if you get into a relationship, that is, the partner is the perfect match, एक perfect partner जिसको हम बोलते हैं, always there for you, always emotionally available, you start distancing yourself from that person because you are too unsafe for that feeling. You feel that you know what, ये क्या हो रहा है? Your mind goes into a haywire situation because your mind does not know how to feel that love. Your heart wants it, but your mind starts playing game. And that is why you are attracting emotionally unavailable people in your life again and again and again. And this is a pattern. For some of us, this pattern has been repeating since last 20 years, 10 years, 5 years, 6 years. Understand how many times you have felt this feeling. How many people have you been attracting? Like, one of the things which I have always felt in my life is whoever got the closest to me, I always found that person going away from my life because of such childhood patterns that I experienced when I was young. And because of such things, you know what happens? The first thing is there's always a fear of intimacy. There's always a fear of intimacy, as I said you right now, that because your mind does not know, your body does not know, your nervous system does not know how to feel safe, you're always feeling low self-worth wise. You're always feeling that you know what, love is not meant for me, relationships are not meant for me. And even like one of the subconscious mind का जो role होता है ना, जिसको भी आप सही समझते हो वो आपको वही चीजें दिखाते हैं. Like if I am someone who feels that love is not meant for me, or I will never be able to attract a partner which I want in my life, and agar my mind will keep on playing these kind of childhood memories, and I will keep on focusing on all the couples who have divorces. I will always focus on all the couples, all the relationships जिनकी बनी नहीं है कभी, जो जिनके बहुत fights हुए हैं. The girl or the boy has always fighted with each other, has always fought with each other, and things like these. So whatever you feel is right, your mind will always show you the same sort of examples. Always remember that. And you will always feel that you know what, independence का मतलब होता है अकेले रहना, success का मतलब होता है अकेले जीतना, because आपको हमेशा से यही लगा है that there's no one who can actually support you emotionally the kind of way that you want. And so your mind starts to speak in such language. I'm using the same sort of language that your mind speaks. Understand it. If you want, you can even pause this video and I want you to write down what kind of language does your mind talk to you in. Again, some of the thoughts that you can have is love is painful. I have to earn love. You just don't feel that love is something जो बिना किसी कंडीशन के आ सकता है, because there is always a point where you feel like if I do something then only I will be loved. So I have to earn love, I have to earn respect, I have to earn their time, I have to earn their attention. Being independent means being alone. If I get too close with someone, I will be abandoned. This is something in me that I still have somehow. That I feel that if I get too close with someone, they will abandon me. They will make me feel वो starting में तो they are going to be very much close, but at the end of the day or after some time their behavior will start changing. So understand it consciously. Notice your brain's language. Notice what is happening, and this is the only thing that I have for you in this video, because in this video, rather than just telling you about how to overcome and tips and solutions, I wanted this to be like a long one where I can explain you in a very deeper way to help you understand what exactly and from where these patterns are coming up in your life. Please answer a few questions. When was the first time you felt this? Who was the first person who made you feel this pattern? For some of us it's our parents, and for most of us your answer would be either your mom or your dad. I want you to go deeper into those specific experiences. I want you to rewrite them, re-experience them. If you feel pain, that's completely fine. Check out the description below. I have listed out some questions for you that you can, in order to understand it more, in order to break it, we can actually spend some time knowing about them, knowing about what these kind of patterns are, from where are they rooting up. So I hope that this video helped you. I hope that you're going to implement and spend some time working on your own pattern to identify it. And in the next video, let's learn on how to break it. I will see you tomorrow in the next video, in the part 2 of the same video, to break your pattern of emotionally unavailable people. Can't wait to see you. If you are new here, welcome to the family. Check out my videos for more, and I can't wait to meet you tomorrow. Bye.